Hello, would you like to program queries to run automatically? Query Refresher is a script from Python that will allow you to automate files that contain ODBC queries. This can be done automatically without intervention. In order to do this, you just need two things. First, to set up your SQL queries in Excel, then install and download Python. Follow the next steps to see how to do this. First step would be to download and install Python. Open your browser and search for Python in your favorite search engine. Open Python.org link, go to Downloads and click on the Download for Windows button. Then open the executable file and check the option named Add Python to Path. Now look for the command prompt in the Windows menu. Type Python and hit Enter. You should see an output saying Python 3.1, which means the installation is correct. Now press Ctrl C and hit Enter. We will need to install some packages that will allow our script to run. So type pip list and hit Enter. Under Package, you should see two items listed, pip and Setup Tools. Now type pip install pywinutils, such as Python Windows utilities. Then hit Enter and the installation will begin. Now locate the Excel file that you want to be refreshed automatically and place it into your preferred folder. I would suggest to place it in the BoxInc folder, right into the Drive directory. Now, to copy the script, go to ibm.biz/query_refresher. You will find a box note with the code. Make sure not to copy the asterisks at the beginning and at the end of the code. Copy the code. Search for idle in your programs and open it. Now create a new file in idle and paste the code you just copied. There are two locations in the code. In order for the script to work, you will need to modify those and use your own PC locations. Those variables are highlighted in yellow in the box note. You can use the Windows Explorer and right-click on Properties in the file you want to automate, then extract the location from there. Important: make sure to duplicate the inverted slash in your locations. If you don't duplicate this, the script won't run. Now, for the second location, you must include at the end double inverted slash plus the file name and the extension. Once you've updated both locations, you can save the script in your preferred folder with whatever name you want. I use query_refresher.py as a file name. Finally, you can test how the script runs by going to Run and then choose Run module. How long it takes will depend on the size of the file, as this script opens, updates, saves, and then closes the file. In any case, the script will tell you exactly how much time it took to update the file. Now for the script automation, let's go back to ibm.biz/query_refresher. Look at the bottom of the note for the BAT file code block. Just as we did before with the previous script, copy those two lines of code and paste them into a new idle file. Of course, remember to update the location as well. This time, use the Python file location. You don't need to use the inverted double slash. Save this new script as query_refresher.bat and choose from the Save As type all files. Now look for a program named Task Scheduler and create a basic task. You will set the details of the task such as the name, frequency, and the specific time to be run. In the Action menu, select Start a Program and look for the .bat file you just created. In the Finish menu, I would suggest you check the option Open Task Properties dialog. Then, in the General tab, select Run whether user is logged on or not. And in the Conditions tab, select Wake the computer to run this task. In your Task Scheduler library, you will find the new task you just set up, with all of its values and conditions. I set mine to happen now, so let's see how it happens. The output is similar to what we saw in idle. The difference is that this time the command prompt will display the results. In order to double check that our script runs properly, we will need to take some things into consideration. Your PC needs to be on, the VPN needs to be on, you need internet access when the task triggers. You also need to check the ledger schedule so the script runs when the ledger tables are available. You can customize the power settings of your PC in the control panel. Make sure they fit your needs. So the easiest way to double check the script runs properly is to open the file you want to automate prior to the task run and delete all the data you have in your queries. Then save the file. Now that the file is empty, once the script runs and you open the file, you should see all the rows of data retrieved. I will manually trigger the task so we can look at a before and after comparison. You can also see the query details in the Excel file in the Data tab, Queries and Connection. There, you can see the status of the last refresh. And that's it. If you have any doubts, please reach out to our Kaizen team. You can also follow us in our Kaizen Corner channel in Slack.